Select anatomic crown, zirconia. We're gonna select screw retained, scan body scan, extra gingiva scan. Press OK, save, and select design. Now we need to ring the lower jaw, so we select the lower jaw. We select the scan body scan. Now the gingiva and the antagonist. Make sure it's the right orientation. And now we're gonna select the implant. This one is a Straumann. And we're gonna select this one. And the system asks us to select this face. So we click on it. Sometimes we can make it shorter so that it's looking good on this one. Yeah, we're gonna keep this one. We skip this step. And now for this one, I'm going to select this one, my new generic library. You can download it for free in the description. Select this one. Because all the teeth look so flat, I'm gonna drag this all the way to the flat option. And we're gonna position it in the right orientation. You can also select morph anatomy, so it changes according to the occlusion. It's a bit bigger, and I think it's looking nice. So we go next. At this stage I like to come to advanced and pull all the way down the height, so we don't have that band around the neck. So go next. And I'm gonna smooth this transition. Check the contacts, the adjacent. Make sure that the crown is following the arch. Something like this. If you think it's too much anatomy for this case, you can smooth a bit the morphology. Just a little hint. Now I like to adapt the proximal minus 0.01 just to make sure we have a contact after the milling. And for this case I'm actually going to use the articulator. So we go to expert mode, go to tools, go to articulator. Just to make sure we don't have any dynamic occlusion interferences. Something like this. Okay. Start articulator movements. Go OK. Go back to wizard. So let's check the occlusion. Yeah, it's looking nice. Yeah. Smooth all this area, just so we don't have a big lump. Like that. Once you're happy, go next. He warns me to select static occlusion, but there's nothing there, so go next. So the chimney, to remove this ring, I go and select off this stage. Go next. And there you have it. The perfect crown in less than 5 minutes. Now if you want to design a full arch in 10 minutes, watch this video next. Thank you so much.